This is the Aqua Elegant Massage and Mist Shower Head here in chrome. This is a really great item. We manage a bunch of properties and we switch all of our shower heads over to these. These are just really great. 2.5 gallons per minute here, and these things just work excellently. It does have some adjustments on here, but you're gonna get a really strong stream of water out of here. So if you just have a standard shower head, you're definitely gonna wanna pick one of these up because it's an easy solution to just get more water pressure out of your existing shower. We're very happy with these. It does come with the Teflon tape here. It does come with the extra washer here, so you get one in here. Then it comes with the extra one. It comes with instructions here, but these are very easy to install. Basically, you're just going to get a crescent wrench. You can see right here the tabs in here. You're just going to get the old one off. You're going to put wipe the old Teflon tape off. Put new one on the things, and you're just going to twist it on here and then just torque it down with the wrench a little bit. But these are very easy to install. I'm very happy with these. We're a repeat buyer of this brand. We have them in chrome, brushed nickel, the matte black, depending on what style the bathroom is. But this is a really great shower head. This is what it looks like right here, Aqua Elegant, and this one is in the chrome. Highly recommend this.